Just Buggin.
So guys, I've been noticing this ad for this Beetle for a while, and this morning I saw it again and the price had been dropped, and I went in there and told Dalton, I said, man, I want this bug. I can't believe it. I said, I might have the opportunity to get this. And so I made an offer for it, and he goes, well, you're close, and I knew I was there, you know. And I was like, let's go. Let's get it. Let's get the Just Buggin cruiser and go over there with a tow bar and tow this thing back. So it's just an amazing find. 0 miles, 1915 cc stroker, you know, scat kit motor. I mean, just ready to go. The only thing it's missing is the intake and carb, because they couldn't decide whether, you know, a 2-barrel or dual carbs or what. Well, he passed away before he could complete this, and it's been sitting for a while, but it was all prepped properly because he was an engine builder and race cars, and it's got just a great story that goes with it. So check out what happened.
Hey man, what we got here?
Oh man, this is G-Man with our Just Buggin cruiser, and we're over here in Sanford going to take a look at a 1973 Beetle. It's a custom rod. The guy apparently passed away while he was trying to restore it for about 12 years, and it's got a 0 mile scat kit motor, 1915 stroker, and freeway flyer from Fisher. Brand new, 0 miles on both of them, and it's all set up and just needs assembled. So I might be buying that. So it might be our next build here at Just Buggin for sale in the near future. So check it out. You grab the front.
How about on that side? Alright. Yeah, we should do it.
Did you do that trying to put that in? Or
No, I think that happened. They hired movers to take it from her house to the storage unit that he got put in Indiana. And when I got there to get the car, the windshield.
No big deal. Actually, I think I have 1 or 2 more.
Take a look at her. Yeah, the floor pans are it's all brand new steel on the floor pans. There's no rust in this car.
He put in mounts for the custom seating.
Yes.
Oh, there's another one. Oh, Charlie horse. Oh, oh man. Yeah, it looks pretty solid. So you have all the other parts for it.
Yeah, the door skins, all that stuff sitting back here on the toolbox, all the other glass.
I can see the trim, the running boards are new because that's the,
Yeah, still got
the
still
plastic.
Yep, still got the cover on there.
Back windshield sitting.
Yeah, that's
Is
just
it the
that's just
Stinger
sitting
exhaust?
back. Yeah.
It's got oil in it.
No, there's no oil in it.
No oil at all.
Nope, that's it. It's just all.
Just probably a half a quart.
All it's got is assembly lube, and it's got an extended oil pan on it too. I don't know if that's the right dipstick for it.
But it will turn over, huh?
Yes, it does turn.
Well, I can't turn it like that.
I've turned it in the last week. What was the other guy here? Like a week and a half ago?
What?
If we do tow it, we got to take the back windshield
Oh
off.
yeah, absolutely.
Because it's just laying.
Oh yeah, okay. Put that in the back seat, third row.
The back seats.
You don't happen to have a small air compressor, do you?
Yeah, there's one inside. There should be somebody here in the next. Yeah, they should be here any minute. We can bring the compressor over here.
Oh, the door panel's doing that? The door seal?
Yeah, it's just door seals in it. There's no latch.
Oh, you don't have rope or something?
Yeah, we got. It's all good.
I threw some lights. Sometimes I grab the top lip. Is that an amp?
Yeah, it is.
How's one?
And I've got, like I said, I've got the wiring diagram.
I'll have to tie this down too. Or is that latch?
It does latch,
But then there's no cable to release it?
The cable, the release cable, I don't know if it's stretched or it's not adjusted right.
But you can grab a hold of it like...
If you go in, that's why that plate's off the bottom. You can go from underneath the lip. That's how I had to open it last time.
Okay, I'll have to do that.
I put that towel there just so we don't have to go underneath it every time.
Oh yeah, it's got ceramic stingers on it.
Yeah, this was going to be his baby.
I got the extra oil bath for the cooler. Does it have an auxiliary filter on the other side or something?
The cooler is it's underneath the right back seat.
Yeah, he powder coated the super tins.
Yep. They said he was planning on showing this one. We did pretty good at car shows with the things we built.
Yeah, I've built a lot of cars over the years. I was doing muscle cars, GTOs, and serious metal work, and I paint. I cut and buff right after it. Yeah, I've been doing it since I got back from Desert Storm.
It's all the doghouse, all hammered and nail finish.
I just went back to doing it full time. He talked me into it.
And the seats.
Yeah, they look almost like them. Stock seats.
Yeah, they're real close. They said it's just out of a, I think it was either 89 or 91 Scirocco. They said they got the lumbar adjustment on them.
And those
They're
mount right up to those.
they're a whole lot more comfortable to sit in.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, and they don't slide off. They at least
and
have
they
the
sit
lumbar.
down lower than the stock seats would have, so you're down in the car a little bit lower. Yeah, we got that one. And the benches up here. The benches right there, and it matches. They've never been in the vehicle.
That'll work.
What are we getting?
Yeah, we're gonna get this 73 Beetle. Custom badass ride. Yep. Airing up the tires now and get the tow bar hooked up. And the Just Buggin Cruiser will pull its first Beetle.
Yeah.
And I said it's all here.
Yeah, it's chrome. Yeah.
Cool. That's for your window. There's the other side. There's the other seat.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
So, minor inconvenience, minor technical difficulty, but
On today's episode of How F***ed Up Is F***ed Up, that's f***ed up.
it's not good. Not good at all. Coming down the road, just left from where we got the Beetle, and then all of a sudden the wheel, we hear and then all of a sudden the wheel flying off into the woods, and G-Man got the wheel. Yeah. It's fine though.
I think it's fine, honestly.
They're coming to save us.
I've had this. Yeah, these studs are loose.
These studs weren't loose, but the lug nuts were.
I think it's the back ones that were just put in my fingers.
On the road again, just can't wait to get on the road again.
What's up, man?
Hey guys, we made it. We still have all 4 tires.
I don't know how.
We got really hella lucky there because that tire didn't do any damage to anything. And I'm surprised the oil sump, it's got the additional oil sump on the bottom. It didn't even touch the asphalt. I kind of went right off the road. I was only doing like 25, 30 miles an hour. So let's check it out. I mean, this thing has got all kinds of new stuff on it. But 0 miles, 1915 scat motor. Look at that, like crinkle paint, you know. It's got the highway flyer in it, fresh, 0 miles on it, brand new. And the ceramic exhaust with the stinger. The undercarriage is all brand new. It's been off the chassis. I mean, this was a hell of a deal. So it's gonna be a fancy drag bug, buddy. Oh yeah, and look, I got mine now. I can just paint a little bit on it and make it kind of look like that one, 2-tone.
Hey.
Hey, we made it. We have all 8 tires on both of our vehicles. So, we have a project to finish now, courtesy of Dereck and his father, T.Greg. And Dereck's father was unable to finish the project, and you can see he did really great work. I mean, I see it as he was meticulous, and he passed away, unfortunately, before he could complete the car. So we're going to complete it the way he was building it and pass that on and make a video of it and tell the story of Dereck and his father. So stay tuned. Hey guys. Ooh. Who put that log there? Oh, that's gonna make some good Just Buggin blooper there. Oh boy. I can't do anything about it. It's on there. It's recorded. Dalton's gonna have fun with that one. Look at this thing, man. I just been just amazed with it. We're gonna pull. Why is that rear 10 not there? Great. Huh. Yeah, that's gonna be black because it's not gonna be that wrinkle paint, but it'll be fine back there. That'll work. I'm just amazed by how much high quality parts are on this. And this custom wiring harness in here, but sure he was gonna do that and just hadn't got to it. And then it definitely needs some insulation in there. But the motor's coming out because we are not going to turn this over. It does turn by hand, but just look at the parts on this thing. It's just amazing. Wow, all the best stuff. New shocks, body's been painted off of the chassis is painted, there's still the color, it's powder coated. So wow, I mean, so we're gonna yank the motor out, we're gonna pull the heads off, make sure that it's not rusted in the cylinder walls, and prep it for cranking it up after it's set for a while. Told to use a lot of assembly lube in it in regards that he knew it was gonna be sitting for a while. So it's got ceramic coated MP spider wheels. So got a really nice tachometer on it. There's a stereo and a couple of amps in here. It's custom, brand new dash pad, custom gauges. I'm gonna get pop outs for these and then we'll get a new headliner. He was putting it in and then just didn't get back to it. And so it's been hanging in there ever since. And the carpet, I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to clean that up. I mean, it looks nice and everything, but it's moldy and I don't know. We'll see if it comes off the floor. It's not actually the way I mean, it's in there nice. And those are custom brackets already welded down for the Sirocco seats that are in the shop. But I'm gonna leave the paint the way it is. I mean, there's a little imperfections because of the time that it's been sitting in storage, but T.Greg, the initial T, and his middle name's Greg, was the builder, and I want to stay true to what he did, and it looks great anyway, so I'm not going to do anything to the paint. I'm going to continue in the direction that he was going in. I take it these are the blinkers for the sides. I've never seen those before. I'm going to come up with some nice LED lights and put them underneath the headlights, so I have turn signals in the front. Those are new running boards. The plastic hasn't even been pulled off the trim yet. New tires. Yeah, it's going to be a sweet ride. It's going to be a fast one, and it's going to be loud. So all we're going to do is get that motor out of there, and I might make everything out of the inside, clean it up, and bag it, because I've got a lot of projects that are going to be coming out of here in August, so I want to get all that stuff done before I deal with my own project. Yeah, see something? I don't know why the hood's bent over right there, but it's on the same on both sides. The hood's not going down, so I'll just leave it that way. I don't know why that's done that way. Maybe that's something to do with hanging this up, but it is kind of crooked, but no big deal. It is a tough ride. A lot of little parts and stuff for it. It's this, damn, that sucks. All right, well, it is what it is. That's a nice metal flake paint job too. It'll work.
Hey guys, it's Dalton. Thanks for watching this video. If you guys liked the video, drop a like, comment, subscribe, and have a Just Buggin of a day.